Well, dear friends, I'm always happy to welcome you. Today, the money tree here is not just for show. Let me explain why. There's this thing that's made up of pure randomness. Now I'll show you another thing, like this one, which isn't made up of pure randomness. Let me explain what's what. The balance is 5,000 rubles, the bet is 500 rubles. The maximum we can earn is 5 times our deposit, which means 25,000 rubles in this case, and the bet is strictly 10% of the deposit. There's this bot. I closed it just a moment. And we have this bot that's available in the Telegram channel. So, there's nothing you need to download. What's the point of the game? For those who aren't familiar, it's a minds game with different numbers of traps. The more traps there are, the higher our bet is multiplied by a certain coefficient when we open a cell. If we hit a trap, we lose. Now I'll show you how to always win. It might sound like fantasy, but that's not the case here. Look, the bots work with absolutely any number of traps. We select one trap and our signal is generated. The bot, using a neural network, connects to the code of your page element and allows us to win without any problems. Now I'll show it in action for those who are skeptical. Everything is happening right before your eyes, and everything works perfectly for us. In other words, the bot gives a signal to minimize your chances of hitting a trap as much as possible. We see the trap here, that's it, we closed it, everything's great. Let's close the signal with 3 traps together. We get the signal. So all we have to do is just follow the bot. Again, it's simple. The link is in the comments, the bot is in the Telegram channel. Everything works absolutely flawlessly. Excellent. Another signal comes in for us. Let's get a signal with 5 traps. We set 5 traps here and the bot generates our signal. So it's not necessary to repeat in the exact same order as the bot. What matters to us is the essence. We close our cells in the same way and we see that the signal comes in perfectly again, multiplying by as much as x8, and now we have 9,400 in our balance. Let's close the signal with 7 traps. So really, everything works great. Use it while it still works. Such a modest little signal, but nevertheless, it's about to bring us some decent money. I think you understand that the more traps there are, the easier it is. Actually, or rather, not the easier it is, but the bigger your deposit, the faster you'll multiply it. There's another version of the bot. Now I'll show you how it works. We click here. This time you play first and then generate the signal. Here is our trap, and we cover the entire field. But there's one nuance, we can only do this once a day and only with 1 trap. In any other case, we see 12,000 rubles, we see our balance. Everything works perfectly. The link is in the comments. Be sure to join and make some money. I wish everyone success, and goodbye for now.